Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Guys, today I'm so happy. We have reached 40k subscribers. Thank you so much, my loyal subscribers. Thank you guys for your love, your support. Guys, let's get this channel rolling, guys. 50k, road to 50k, guys. I'm so happy, guys. You know, you make my day. You make me keep going on with your loyal feedback, and it makes me grow every day, guys. And if it's your first time here, guys, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Kindly subscribe and hit the bell just right beside the subscribe button so you get notified every time Mama Bui uploads a new video. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into the video. Today, guys, we are making a budget-friendly dinner. Guys, I love using simple recipes and turn them into something good, nice, and healthy. So guys, let's get started. You know, Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First thing we're gonna make is the curried rice, guys. I already have my rice washed. Here in the baking dish, I have 2 cups of rice and half cup of water. Now I'm gonna take my spoon and spread it across the pan. Next, I'm gonna add the diced onions. Now I'm gonna add tomato sauce. Now it's time to season the rice. We're gonna go in with turmeric, followed by curry, I'm gonna also add in salt, then mix everything together. Next, I'm going to add in chicken stock, then place about 4 tablespoons of butter on top of the rice. Next, I'm going to cover tightly the baking dish with the foil, then place the baking dish on a parchment lined baking sheet and pop in the oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. I just pulled the rice out of the oven, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the fork, fluff it, then cover with the foil and set aside. Now let's move on to work on our white bean salad. Here I'm using white kidney beans and great northern beans. Next, I'm gonna place them in a strainer, then go and wash them. Then place them in a medium bowl. Into the beans, I'm gonna go ahead and add red onion, green pepper. I'm gonna also add in tomatoes. Now let's go in with the seasonings. I'm gonna add pico de gallo hot seasoning. Guys, with this one you must be really moderate with it. If you don't have pico de gallo, just use chili powder. Then we're gonna follow with onion salt. We're gonna also add in garlic and pepper seasoning. We're gonna also add in white balsamic vinegar and salad oil. Now I'm going to chop parsley and add it to the salad. Now I'm going to toss everything together. I'm using 2 wooden spoons here, guys. Next, cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and place in the refrigerator to chill for 1 hour. So here I have California medley. I'm gonna steam this for 6 minutes, then it's ready to go. Let's move on to work on the grilled chicken. Here, guys, I have 2 chicken breasts. I've cut them in half. Now I'm going to go ahead and season with salt, black pepper, and garlic seasoning. Then I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Then it's ready to be grilled. I have my griddle going on here. Is really smoking hot, guys. Now I'm gonna place my chicken breast. I like to grill my chicken breast for about 6 to 8 minutes. That's 3 to 4 minutes per side, flipping them at the halfway point in order to have beautiful sear marks on each side of the chicken breast. The chicken breasts are done, guys. Now I'm gonna remove them and place them on a plate, and our dinner is ready to be served. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.